We have an interesting video footage from our friend Vuva, who regularly provides Giga Shanghai information, showing Tesla Giga Shanghai employees resting their shins, their feet during a break when transporting vehicles on the parking lot and when things will change for them. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up for this video, please. So Vuva, who provides regular Giga Shanghai information about Tesla activities in China, has a new video footage sharing with us and an image showing that Tesla Shanghai plant transports new cars into storage via manual driving. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of driving. Now, in this footage that you have been seeing, we see the employees delivering the new cars, moving their shins during a break in their work. Vuva says that they will be freed or liberated when self-parking is implemented. Not freed from job, not liberated from this job, but when Tesla implements self-parking for its cars using its full self-driving, then these people can get really good rest and hopefully move on to other tasks at Tesla. Friends, Giga Shanghai is pushing ahead, is pushing hard to end Q3 in good terms. Now, Ray for Tesla, who tweets regular Tesla information, says we should expect blow-away delivery results in September. Now, apparently, these Tesla vehicles at Giga Shanghai are for domestic delivery, not for exports. Now, people may look at this full parking lot at Tesla Giga Shanghai and say every factory makes this, not only in Tesla factory, but the answer right now is no. Most other factories have big problems with chips, production, and sale. That's why so many used gas cars are sold instead at high prices. So when they can deliver, customers already have bought used vehicles and the OEMs will be hit twice. Some other people say the Q3 will be good for Tesla and Q4 will be even better thanks to Giga Shanghai's activities. But you need to factor in the chip shortage. Plus, if the electric vehicle tax credit passes this month, Q4 delivery numbers in the US might drop a little bit because buyers will defer delivery to 2022 to take advantage of the extra deep discount. I'm not saying this will happen, but I'm just saying take these two things, the chip shortage and the US tax credit, if it passes this month. Take these things into consideration. A Twitter user named Jesse Chimney commented on the Ray for Tesla's tweet on this subject about the deliveries and wrote, "I have seen more carriers carrying Teslas in California as well, hoping for a blowout quarter." Tesla podcast Twitter user did a rough calculation and concluded that the delivery numbers could be in the range of 240,000 to 250,000 at this time. So friends, what do you think? Let's keep watching Vuva's interesting video from the latest activities in Giga Shanghai that I think are going to help tremendously to Tesla's Q3 deliveries and numbers, and also September numbers, as well as August numbers. In the meantime, this is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. And if you guys have interesting videos from your Sentry mood or interesting video tips, please send them to us to be featured in our channel. You can find my email through the about page of about section of our YouTube channel. God bless you, everyone. Give us thumbs up if you like this video, and have a great day. Let's keep watching Vuva's videos, and more is coming later today. See you soon.